Doug Crankel, one of those characters where, he seems to get a lot of hate, I find. I think. Well, I think. At least, personally, I sort of like him, and he's unique, to say the very least. And that's mostly because of that brain of his. He's, what's it called? The Megamind? Have any of you ever seen Megamind, the film? The one of, what's it called? The blue guy with the big head, yeah, him. But personally, I've never seen it. I'm not sure if any of you have. But it would be interesting to know. Please tell me in the comments. Still, back to the video. Or back to Doug. Still, he is a character called from Carl on the Road. And he appears in the B-movie episode. I think you can tell, what that's about. It's, about a movie, or the making of a movie, I should say. Now I'm not sure. And one thing that really, gets me thinking. One thing that confuses me, is if Doug Crankel is the name of the character or the actor. Ooh, that's a great question there, and I bet Pixar don't even know that. So, yeah, it'll be interesting to know. Another thing that puzzles me is whether that brain's actually a part of him. I mean, it probably isn't, but it'll be interesting if it is actually, part of him. Still, let's have a closer look at him, shall we? Still, he's got a big brain. In the words of Markiplier, yeah, this is big brain time. Which, well, I guess is true in a way, because, he's got a big brain. Though. Still, he's got a somewhat shocked impression. Well, that was probably most people's first reaction to seeing him, to be honest. I mean, it wasn't my first reaction, that's for sure, but I'm not sure about your reaction. Or your first reaction, when you first saw him. Does that make sense? Think so. Still, he's, just a standard three box saloon. Well, where he's more of a coupe, like a Mercedes E-Class, or a Mercedes CLA coupe. I don't know. I don't know. Carrying on. He's got no spoked rims, if that's even the correct term. Still, it's painted grey. He kind of reminds you of a Fenwick Missile, the overall design and shape of him. By the looks of it, by the looks of it, he has dual exhaust. Is that? I think that's dual exhaust, Very unique, on a car like him. What are your thoughts on him? Tell me in the comments below. Have a great day, folks!